guarantee. But this life is easy. Yeah, when my... Oh, saan tayo, Karen? Saan gusto mo maglaag? Tara, first of all, kumain ka muna bago tayo maglaag. Pizza na naman. Ano? Puro ka lang pizza. Ito naman. Hindi ko toothbrush ka rin. Ha? Oh, kain mo ito. Ang sarap yung pizza mo. Naglalaway ako. Naglalaway ako sa pizza mo, Karen. Busog ka na, so kailangan mong maligo. Di ba pwede mag-toothbrush mo na? Wala kayo toothbrush. Sabon mo na sa face. Ligo. Pakibilisan. Kay gagala tayo. Ito na towel. Uy. Pangit ang buhok mo, ha. Ano sabi? Kailangan di para tumatakpan. Nandiyan na agad. Magpagkasudlay-sudlay. I wonder how many berries we can find. Saman, isa lang yung berries tre. Ganyan? Paano ba? Ganyan. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up. Nagaganon siya. Nice ba? Ayos to, natatanggal siya. Oh my God. Tanggal. Uy! I got so many. Okay. Ako rin. Kukuha din ako. Kala mo. Kaso imuha lang din to. Isa pa. Ulitin natin. Kaya ganahan ako ng mga English ka pa. Oh my God! Let I want to go. Gabi na gani, mag-explore ka pa. Explorein ko mukha mo eh. Logo, ay hugaw ka. Huwag galing rin sa bukit. Nakaligo na. Okay naman yung outfit mo. Maglaba lang takay puno na yung malabahan. So, matulog ka na. Ito na. Dito na naman siya natulog sa aking kwarto. Ayaw niya sa kwarto niya. Pangit daw. Sus! Bakit ka na naman malungkot, Karen? Karen, why are you sad? Did something happen? School start tomorrow. I don't want the weekend. Ay! I don't want the weekend to end. Sundays can always feel a bit sad, but we should make the most of it. You're right. My goodness ka, Karen. Lagi ka na lang malungkot. Ano bang gusto mo, Karen? Tatawagan ko yung ano mo. Mga kalat-kalat. Kalat to dito sa kwarto niyo. Para sa kwarto ko, hindi naman nagkalat pala. Maglaro na lang tayo, Karen. Pare ka malungkot, pero kailangan natin kumain. Kain ka muna. Sige na kakalungkot, oy. Mamaya maging happy ka. Laro tayo para maging happy. Oh, okay. Sige, kalungkot yung batang to. Diyan na naman tayo. Naligo ka na. Balik ko na. Para hindi ka na malungkot. Para lalamig yung ulo mo. Kati ng likod ko ba? Oh, sige na kakachapper. Okay, sudlay. Wow, ko pretty ka rin ba? Uy, ang Oo, yan. Ang pretty naman ng Karen. Is something bothering you? Ha? I can't help if you don't talk to me. You said that everyone will like me at the new school. But you make it sound so easy. You don't know what it will be like. That sounds like some heavy thoughts. We should work through them. I don't wanna talk tomorrow. I don't even wanna think about it. Why are you scared about tomorrow? You're just gonna say that everyone is nice. Just be nice. Forget it. Oh. And it would be true, but maybe we should make a plan just in case. Oh, I would like that. Pang nagka-problema yung bata na to. Okay, you go through to get to the schoolyard. Next step would be to sit down at one of the and benches pala and wait for the bell. Huh? What if someone comes over? Ay, daming problema ang batang to. You don't have to do anything if you don't want to. What if they start talking to me? I don't know what to say. Hey, tell them your name. They'll probably tell you theirs. They will think I'm strange. Ay, naku mga bata to. It doesn't matter what others think. Gusto mo masugitan pataka. Either way, when the bell rings, you'll just go straight to your classroom. I know where is. That is. Exactly. And you might even end up having fun. I don't think so, and I still have to worry about recess. Ay, naku naman, pinaproblema talaga to. We can plan for every minute of the whole school day, Han. Would it help if I walk you to school? It would. First you walk to my school, then I'd walk in the gate and then walk straight to this classroom. Classroom. Lots of walking. Thank you. And I thank you. You're welcome. Bakit? Monday na ba? Sabado pa naman ngayon ah. Laro muna tayo ng XOX. Play. Ako mauna. Magaling ka pa naman. Ah! Isa pa. Akala mo ah. Oh, You are very good at this game. Oh, siyempre. Oh, ha? Galingan mo din para always gawin. Oh, ha? 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 We put good job. Okay, tulog na. Ayaw ko na. Oh, the days really go fast. Ay, naku, matulog ka na nga para papasok ka na. Kaya na-stress ko nimo. Pinapatulog na nga. Actually, I think I'll sleep in my bed tonight. I'm glad to hear that. O, ngayon, dyan ka natulog sa kwarto mo, ha? Matampuhin ka rin pala. School starts the next week na, ha? I should think happy thoughts, but it's hard. Ay, sus. Things might look bleak, but you are a great kid. Good things will find you. And we're great team that can do anything. You're right. Master, focus on the positive good things. Got it. Could you maybe read me a bedtime story? That's a great idea. Get your mind on to something else. Thank you. Tiara, gitagaan ako, Bok. Pang, unsa man nga, Bok? Kina, matulog nga siya. Wala na, pikit na. At patay ng ilaw para maging umaga. Tuara. May problema. Sa heart. May trust. Yung sa may ano niya. Assertive. Assertive pa? Ano pa yan? Ano, paano to? Ayan na. Monday na. Pasukan na ng bata. Ayan na. Malungkot na. First, school work. Good morning. What's wrong? Did you not sleep okay? Not really. Still feeling worried about today? Oh, no, I'm fine, huh? We have a plan. You walk me to school and then I go straight for the classroom. Lagi na lang ka talaga. Plan, plan. Plan, plan yung kumukha mo eh. Di lang kita bata. Tina, ligo ka na. Di kayo papasok school. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide. Sometimes I care of you. Ano yung suot? Okay na yan, pambahay na. Labis kitang mahal. Time to live. It will only get worse if we drag it out. You'll do fine. I'm not feeling good. Don't make me go. I'm not going. Isa. Karin, honey, I'm sorry for upsetting you. Asa na naman ka? Sige, asa man na. I don't want to go. Heck, kumabas ka diha. Ba't kami iyak? Ba't naman problemahan do? Pata. You're safe. I'm with you. Tell me what you need. I know it feels overwhelming, but listen to me. Focus on my voice. Remember the breathing exercise. Can you do that for me? I can do you. You can do it. You're stronger than you feel right now. One, two, three. Deep in. Deep breath in. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Yan. Pina. Para dili ma. Isa pa. Pohoy. Maybe I don't make me go. Don't I don't want to go there. Hi. Let's work this through. What part of this making it feel so overwhelming? I don't know. Are you worried about not finding the classroom? I don't know. I don't want to go, please. Why I can't stay? Hindi pwede, please. Karen, please. School is important. Nothing will improve by standing home. Ay, by staying home. Ha? Tandaan mo yan. I know it's scary change. But we're still in the same safe village. Okay? I guess. Don't think. Just walk when you get there. Malit na tayo. Okay? I can't try that. Just try going through with it. Then we will take it from there. Ang problemado, bata ka. Masampal na kita eh. Kanina pa tayo nag-uusap, tinamad na ako magbabasa. Ha? Hindi ko na nais pagbasa ko, tinatamad na ako. Bilisan mo. You'll follow me to school, right? Ay, oo lagi. Tara na. Hindi ka magkuhan. Dili mo ka nag... Di mo ka magsudlay dito sa school kay maliit na ta. Ganun kumain. Pagdating na sa bahay. Well, Karen, you're going to school na. I forgot how big and scary the skull looks. Ginoo ko. I know it's bigger than your previous skull, but you're bigger too. I guess that's right. Okay? Better face it head on. Just stick the pen, the plan. You can do that. You can do this. Okay, I'll go then. Tuwa na si Karen. Tuwa na si school. Lana. Ay, nako. Ako ay pupunta na sa work. Work na kailangan ng kwarta. Wala kami pera. Ay, ano kong bata. Kunti nga lang ang trabaho. Amazing pa. Ganito ka-easy nga trabaho sana sa totoong buhay. Ay. Ah, may mali! Mairos para ako. Uy. Nandito nila si Karen. Pilita. Laruan. Hindi ko siya laruan. Wag na. Walang laruan. Oh, I'm home. Welcome back. How did it go? It was fine. Oh, diba? I told you about this morning. If anything like that happens again, you let me or your teacher know, okay? Don't worry, like I said, it was fine. Well, fine, it's good to see you can handle anything. Thanks. Read the journal. Okay, I read the journal now. Yung tamad ka magpasa, pinapapasa ka. Oh, Karen, is it copy? Well, and has been hiding it from me. She had an episode today, struggling to breathe. It really worried me. I managed to calm her down, but when I tried to understand what's wrong, she is shut me out. I need help. I need to call Anne again. Okay. Tara na, Karen. Tara na po. Um, Today was a big day. How are you feeling about? It was very scary, but the teacher there is seemed nice. That's nice. It will get better, you'll see. Okay. Ano pang badiring mo? Ano pang pag-usapan? Karen, we need to talk about the episode you had earlier. Why are you talking like something is wrong with me? Nothing is wrong with me. Leave me alone. Ay, maldita kang bata ka. Bakit? I want to do something else. Kita ka talagang bata ka. Kumain ka na dito kung ayaw mo masampal. Pes, torag ko barkay kay waray tayo uno. Pizza mo na. Would you like that? 100 mahala uy. Yes, please. Okay. Si Karen naman tawagan natin. Hello, this is Anne. Hey Anne, things have gotten worse. Oh no, what's happened? Karen had another episode because of the school. This one was worse. Karen felt she couldn't breathe, but thanks to your technique, we managed. Poor Karen, it sounded like you did the right thing in the moment. After a discreet talk with my colleagues, Karen does seem to be suffering from something called panic attacks. It's a it's a sudden episode of intense fear that is special reaction. Tinamad ako magbabasa guys. Tamad ako magbasa. It's been years since she experienced her trauma about some kaya na magbasa niyan guys. Dito ako sa baba. She's been acting completely normal beside these two incidents. Okay, so it might just be this specific, specifically distressing situation triggering it. Ay, nako. I want to help but I'm worried I just mess it up. Ay, kikapoy na ko basa. Ayaw ko na magbasa. Nakakainis tong patak to eh. I hope I won't mess it up. Thank you. Salamat. Of course, I'll check in with you later to see how it went. Goodbye. Grabe kang bata ka. Panic attack? Narinig mo pala ha. Marit di ka lang pala perming problemado. Marites ka rin pala ha. Are you okay with having a little chat? Yes. Okay, very good. I want to I want to talk about this times when you feel really worried. Kung bata ka talaga, dami mong problema sa buong mundo. Do you ever feel like that? Maybe, ha? Can you tell me more about? Oh, sometimes I feel really tight in my chest. I try to make it go away, but I can't stop it. It just gets worse and really scary. I don't like it. That sounds tough. You might have experienced a panic attack. A panic attack? Why is that happening? I don't want it to happen. Oh, mga guys, to be continue na lang to at ako'y tinatamad magbasa. Thank you for watching.